Okay, well here's the main tying in. As you can see, the line is really short. So this is definitely a unique sewer. The main clean out is to the back of the house, towards the highway, and so this main must run right through the middle of the yard, in the back. So we'll show you. So that's only 36 feet long. It's all cast. There's that coupling that doesn't look great. Could have been an installing error or some other thing. I don't see any roots, so now here's the first tie-in. Now that's 26 feet out. It's hard to say whether it's from the same house or a different house at this point. I haven't done any water testing, so more than likely it would just be from this house. So we'll pull back a little farther and at least inspect the line. There's plenty of fall. It definitely rolls downhill. Looks like there's a coupling down to 3" or something. That looks like it's getting reduced in size with that coupling. Here's the clean out. Water's coming from this sink I'm running over on this side of the house. I'll pause the video and yeah. So yeah, everything that I ran upstairs from the other stack still comes through this drain, so hard to say what that tie-in is. That's it.